So please do that. And again, 773-764-9547. And give me your cell phone number.
Uh-oh.
Yes, just in case you want to call, you may want to call Alex without calling the office. Okay? So,
My number is 773-396-9020. Once again, 773-396-9020.
But you can also connect with us if you want to get a hold of Alex also. You can always call the office and just ask for Alex.
Those are calls to Alex at appropriate times. And again, just say, hey, Alex, I saw you here. We got to get some things done. Also, if you want to reach me, Blair Capital, 312-593-2062. We do evaluations of different companies around the city of Chicago for real estate, investments, banking, things of that nature. So we can lend money up to, I got $500 million I have available right now to lend for different institutions and opportunities. So I'm always available to talk at that also. But right now, last scenario here, what's the biggest pitch you guys have? Right now we have Donald Trump who's beating down the doors, a possibility of him trying to run this election again. Hopefully that will not happen. He is my worst pitch for the Republican Party. I'm a Republican, but Donald Trump needs to be vacated. We need to send him to Russia. But the bottom line is right now, it's America. We're trying to deal with this stuff and make it happen. So right now we're trying to say real estate is still, we think, one of the best bets in the state and country now.
Of course, it's the best bet, and you mentioned it. You mentioned the tax deductions. That's amazing. When you create a company through real estate, it's amazing that, and I think some of us are not educated, or we don't pass the education down to our kids or to other families. Says, hey man, you need to get into real estate and create a company, and I mean, hey, the wealthy is doing it.
Yep.
Why not we do it?
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Donald Trump's favorite thing. Say, hey, look, let me control this property. But bottom line right now, just be aware that real estate is definitely something to be involved with. Easy to transfer to your children and heirs, and it's a way to make money.
It's an absolute way to make money. It's massive, man. I mean, I can't stress that enough for the brothers and sisters listening, whoever's listening.
Yeah.
Real estate is amazing when it comes, and some people don't want to do, but it's amazing. Just
And with these people in the country, real estate has always been a part of the portfolio. So
Absolutely.
don't forget, definitely add that in. Talk to sharp people like you have here. And you even got their numbers. Don't call them after midnight. But hey, it's a format where opportunity is available.
Yep.
Real estate it is, man. We're brokers. We work all over Chicago. And I just want to say that we work whether it's north side, south side, or suburban areas. If you want to go there, we will. But first of all, what we'll do, we'll counsel you first, because we want to make sure that you're successful in everything you do. We want to make sure you're successful.